Yo, right about now, I'm about to take you to the normal African kitchen, the outside kitchen. Never know this is set up. So what are the kind of sufurias we use? We are here, and first things first, let me give you a detour of the room. Okay. Here is the night balcony, and then here, so it hasn't been used for some time. So I think we'll have to start by cleaning here. We have to clean this. Tell your motor, you tell us your motor. Tell your motor. Call fire. Tell me she look in your motor. So let me. Wow. So at this point, we're just trying to clean up. We're cleaning up, so I bring my ingredients here and there, I put my peppers, mix there, oil mix is already there. And then now tunapanga hizo kuni. Zipange vizuri kabisa. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah, this is basically how I do it. I don't know. This is how I do it. Either way, it still works. So you have another method, good for you. But this is just my way of doing it when I'm home. So you organize your working space, and then you're going to come with a matchstick next. Yes, you're wondering if this is my hair. Yeah, it is my hair. I went somewhere where I can position people well, so that you can see me well. And guess what? I'm going to see my shosh. I'm going to see my grandma. So that's why I'm all every Michelle. Yeah, and so at this point I called my sister for some help with the camera. We're doing things, we're getting things right, just for a minute. One, and then we do the second one. We're still not yet there. And then I'm like, okay, I need some more. So we're doing it. No, we're doing it. We're getting late. We're getting it. Yeah. Okay, so at this point, yay! We have a bonfire here. I can't express this. No, words can't even express this feeling. And it's a rainy season, so for you to actually do this in less than 5 minutes, you really have some good skills. No, I really have some good skills. So I'm just adding more wood and more wood because I want the fire to be lit. Kamoto, tutaka moto ikuwe moto ikuwe mingi, nyingi. I'm lost, I'm out of words, but okay, just adding more firewood. And let me tell you one thing, this is not about slaying. If you've been to this kitchen, you can never leave this kitchen without crying. You're always crying, you're always machozi yanatoka kule pande zote. Tunaongeza kuni, inabidi tumefurisha. Kiswahili si mudomo shagu. Okay, so right about now I think we are all set, and just adding more and arranging so that you can have enough. The fire concentrated all over, distributed all over, and I'm actually heading to get my water. Those are the sufurias we use. Don't use the other sufurias, man. You're really going to struggle. And that's my daughter, like she wanna help. So okay, let's go and fetch water. Let's fetch water. I think you can dance, you can talk, you can eat, and you can do anything. I'm going to see Shosha. I'm going to see my grandmother. She says, see maji sangapi? Unafikiri nacheza na wewe hapa? I don't have all the time. Okay.
Nini?
Hapa.
Man like this.
Are you seeing me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And now we're ready to boil our water. the African way. I hope you love the content. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel and we'll meet on the next vlog. Meanwhile, my videographer is this one. So I hope you update. Bye.